FEASH is a graduate show for the Media Arts and Technology degree programme and the Creative Media degree programme here at Dundalk Institute of Technology. The types of projects we have here today at FEASH are interactive narratives, educational projects, heavily research-based projects, as well as projects dealing with how media is changing various different sectors within our society.
Well, my first impression is just that the work that the students are doing is absolutely outstanding. It's so creative, and they're using the tools that they've learned so far to create ways for us to understand the world around us, ways for us to engage. So I think it's absolutely fascinating. Well, it's very important for any academic institution that we bring our work outside of the institution and into industry and into community, because we're very focused on our students getting jobs. We have a really high success rate, particularly for creative media, for students getting jobs in the industries that they've trained in. So this showcase is a really exceptional opportunity for the students to engage with future employers and the community.
Because I got a lot more experience in Illustrator and in Photoshop, it kind of like opened a new window for me, because now I'm kind of interested in being an illustrator.
I think definitely a project of this size, it would look great on our CV, and we're all kind of looking forward to getting to use the skills that we've learned in this going forward into our careers.